So every metric on Insights tab on Instagram is a signal. Now, if you're a creator or marketer, you should be absolutely understanding these matrices. Reach versus impression. Reach is basically how many people unique your content reached out to. An impression is basically if that same person got your content surfaced twice, so then it is two impression. Reach is unique, impression is not. It's as simple as that. Views is when the person at least watches for 2 seconds. I don't need to talk about uh, 2 seconds is the right number or not. And hence, the other matrices like saves and shares starts mattering a lot. What I tell creators is to watch views to shares ratio, views to saves ratio. A views to shares ratio of one content that got, let's say, 10,000 views, but a views to shares ratio of a 5% is great versus a content that got 50,000 views and a views to shares ratio of 0.1%. That means that content was not triggering any emotion for anyone to share any.